how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to Good Old RVing. I'm Greg, and today we're going to be talking about the Eaz Lift RV rear bumper hitch. And so, let's not waste any time. Let's get started with this. Okay, so what I got here is the Eaz Lift RV bumper hitch. So what this will do is allow you to use a 2-inch hitch mount accessories to your RV bumper. Now everyone knows RV bumper is not that strong. So this is saying that it's ideal for lightweight applications such as bike racks and cargo racks. So let's open this up, see a sample of how it looks. Okay, the bolts face down in the picture. Okay, let's see what's in this box. So first we got the top plate. We got the receiver assembly, pretty heavy. Right here has the pin, and it has the warning. Do not use for towing, right on it. Let's see. Do not exceed weight rating of your bumper. Do not exceed 200 pounds hitch weight rating. Check bolts for tightness. Okay, so there you go. It has a warning on it, so they're covered if you want to get crazy or not. And these are your bolts. You have the long and the short, depending on how fat you look right here on the instructions. Okay, one is if you have a 4.5-inch bumper, the other is if you have a 4-inch bumper. Decide on location to install bumper hitch. Receiver can be installed top or bottom of bumper. Measure your bumper to determine if it is a 4-inch or a 4.5-inch square bumper. Install according to the diagram that matches your bumper size. Well, basically, they're both pretty much the same. Ensure that all lock nuts are tight and torqued down to 35 foot-pounds. So from here, let's go put it on. It's a 4-inch bumper, so I'll use the shorter bolts. Question is, oh, I see. Use the inner bolts for the shorter bolts. That's 43 1/4. This is 43 1/4. Okay, back it should be the same. Yeah. Okay. So now, what to do? Ratchet. Okay, so this baby set at 35. I just got to go around all these and tighten them up.